Number 9. If he keeps dropping the soap on a rope in the shower, he's probably a gay. If he shaves his chest and legs, Mickey, more than his face, he's probably a gay. If you can't distinguish his camo makeup from his guy liner, when you find his gay porn and he says it was sent to him as a gag gift, he's probably gay. If he has a large collection of G.I. Joe dolls, step back. When he tells you the camo you're wearing brings out your eye color, he's probably gay. If he asks for his uniform in spandex and a much smaller size, he's probably gay. If his Jeep has a bumper sticker that says "one beer and I'm queer," yes, sir. And I figure the number one way to know if he's gay, that special air freshener that would be hanging from the Humvee. So I've got your little present in case you ever need to get out of the military. And maybe you could hang on to it and use it at those special times whenever you need to get out. A little air freshener for your car. Hang it from the